Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss one of the NCERT question from class 10 science chapter 2 acid, bases and salt. This is a question number 10 which we will going to perform in this video. That is, equal length of magnesium ribbon are taken in a test tube A and B and hydrochloric acid is added to a test tube A while acetic acid is added to the test tube B. Amount and concentration taken for both acids are same. In which test tube will the fizzing occurs more vigorously and why? So this is the question here. For this we required, the apparatus here is two test tubes, that is A and B, then dilute HCl for the test tube A, acetic acid for the test tube B, and the magnesium ribbon. Now we will perform this activity and see in which case the reaction is more vigorous. So for this we will take equal amount of acid in the both test tube. Now for example, if I am taking out here 2 dropper full of this HCl, now this is the third one. Now I will take the same amount of acetic acid in this test tube here. So I have used a different dropper here. So I will try to add the same amount of acetic acid in this test tube. Now the next step is to take the equal length of the magnesium ribbon. So for example, if I have taken this magnesium ribbon here, so I will just break it out here. Now I will just simply fold it so that equal length it must be here. So I have taken the equal length here for the test tube A and for the test tube B. I have taken the equal length. Now I will drop this magnesium ribbon in the HCl solution and in the acetic acid and we will see the change here. Now for example, if I drop this magnesium ribbon in the acetic acid, you see the reaction here, reaction is taking place. But if I drop the magnesium ribbon in HCl, then the reaction will be more vigorous here. You can see here the fumes are coming out from the test tube A where HCl is taken. Yes, in the acetic acid it is reacting, but the reaction is not that much vigorous that in the HCl. So you can hear the fizz sound here. So what is the result of this activity? That in case of HCl we are getting the more vigorous reaction in comparison to acetic acid. Now the question arises, why this happened or this different behavior happen here? You can see here that whole magnesium ribbon is completely utilized in this reaction and here still ribbon is there which is reacting but less vigorously in comparison to the HCl part here. So the reason behind the reaction is acetic acid is CH3COH. It is a weak acid and it partially dissociate, which means it does not ionize completely in a reaction. So it is forming acetate ion and H plus ion here. Similarly, HCl is a strong acid. It completely dissociate into Cl minus and H plus here. So since it is completely dissociate here, more number of H ions are here, so large number of hydrogen gas is released when HCl is reacting with the magnesium metal. It is forming MgCl2 and hydrogen gas released explosively here. Now in the second case, when it is CH3COH, so now again it is forming the magnesium salt of acetate ion, that is CH3COO whole twice Mg here plus hydrogen gas. So in both the cases hydrogen gas is released, but in case of HCl it is a strong acid, it generate more number of H plus ion and react very fastly, whereas in case of acetic acid it partially dissociate or less H plus ions are present during the reaction here. So that is why test tube A containing hydrochloric acid will react more vigorously. with fizzing sound. Now this is a extra knowledge question for you. For example, acetic acid is CH3COOH. Now what is the valency of acetate here is CH3COO minus and H plus, because मॉलिक्यूल एज ए होल इज़ न्यूट्रल. तो हमें यहाँ ये पता चल गया कि हाइड्रोजन की वैलेंसी 1 है और एसीटेट की वैलेंसी 1 है. तो अब अगर मुझे इसके किसी भी मेटल के साथ अगर रिएक्शन लिखना है, नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल इफ इट इज़ रिएक्टिंग विद अ सोडियम मेटल, देन इट इज़ फॉर्मिंग sodium acetate CH3COO Na, because both having valency 1 here. But if I am reacting it with magnesium here, for example, now here it is Mg2 plus. So now this 2 will be multiplied like this. You have already done this in class 9th here. So CH3COO whole twice and then comes the Mg here. तो ये इस तरह से फॉर्मूला बना है. सो आपको सिर्फ वैलेंसी पता होनी चाहिए, ठीक है. तो वैलेंसी एसीटेट आयन की 1 होती है, मैग्नीशियम की 2 है, तो ये फॉर्मूला बना. तो आपको कोई भी चीज़ लर्न नहीं करनी है, ठीक है. अगर आपको ये वैलेंसी पता है, आप इजीली एसीटेट का किसी के साथ भी फॉर्मूला बना सकते हो ना. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ इट इज़ अ कैल्शियम एसीटेट, देन इट विल बी CH3CO होल ट्वाइस एंड कैल्शियम हेयर.